Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how you can actually go and buy Westjet dollars. So guys, the first thing that you actually need to do is go to westjet.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, register if you already do not have one. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and buy Westjet dollars. But first of all, let's see how you can, what do we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here guys, in the top left corner, we have your Westjet flights. We have the vacation offers. We have the book a flight where we can go and see your return flight and everything, and all of the things about your actual flights. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and buy Westjet dollars. So guys, the first thing that you need to know is that one Westjet dollar is equivalent to $1 when redeemed on the base fare portion of an eligible flight or vacation package. Westjet dollars cannot be used toward the payment of taxes, fees, or charges. It's your choice. You can use your Westjet dollars to pay for flights or vacation packages. You can redeem them on your account by going to the top right corner or going to the rewards, clicking on my account, and here you can always go and see that we click on Westjet dollars here, and here you can go and then buy your Westjet dollars, as you can see. So you can see here. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.